Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make light beer. Start by calculating a target original gravity of 1, 0.30 to 1, 0.40, pick a pale base malt, and plan adjuncts like flaked rice or corn to lighten body. Mash at a slightly higher temperature for more fermentability, sparge efficiently, and boil with minimal hops to keep bitterness low. Ferment with a clean ale, yeast at stable temperatures for a crisp, drinkable finish. Mash at 148 degrees F to 152 degrees F for a lighter body and more fermentable wort, and limit mash time to boost attenuation. Monitor pH and adjust if needed to keep enzymes active and flavors clean. Sparge with 170 degrees F, water to rinse sugars while avoiding tannin extraction, and collect enough per boil volume to hit your target original gravity. These steps will make a thinner, cleaner wort that ferments into a light, refreshing beer. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more brewing guides. Quick recommendation: the O'ala water bottle is perfect for staying hydrated during long brew days. It seals well and fits in most brew kettles and car trunks. I use it between mashing and cooling to stay refreshed without spills. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Select a neutral ale yeast and keep fermentation temperatures between 64 degrees F and 68 degrees F for a crisp, clean profile without fruity esters. Aim for higher attenuation strains so more sugars convert to alcohol and the beer stays light. Keep hop additions low and use hops for subtle aroma rather than bold bitterness, and consider late kettle additions or dry hopping sparingly. Monitor fermentation progress and condition the beer until clear and stable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.